Programmable logic controller. The history of PLC is dated back to 1968, which was developed by General Motors while searching for an alternative to replace the complex relay control systems. With the PLC in operation, a control system requires simple programming, low cost of maintenance. It is smaller, cheaper, and more reliable than the relay control system. Area of application of a PLC. The PLC can be applicable in varieties of areas that requires automation. It is applicable in manufacturing industries for auto assembly, part sorting, conveyor technology, robot arm movement. It is applicable in leisure center such as amusement park for lift control, artificial snow machine, chair adjustment, stage setting, and all. PLC is applicable in leisure centers. There are some situations whereby you find out that the kind of light that is on at a particular point is different from another. A PLC can do that. How about when you sit down on a particular chair and it starts adjusting itself? PLC can also do that. PLC is also applicable in medicine. It can serve as the controller for medical sterilizers such as the autoclave machine, pick and place machine, battery operated wheelchair, and many more. In the food industry, to control the vending machine, pizza oven, meat slicer, dishwasher, bread baking machine, noodle machine, and all. You can find PLC useful in labeling machines, binding machine, packaging machine, ventilators, and also in the agri sector, PLC can be used for automated feeding machine, egg sorting machine, watermelon or fruit sorting machine. In the vehicles or the automobile industries, we have PLC working for automatic car wash system, train seat adjuster, automatic door or gate, as well as vehicle weight scaling. PLC is also useful in home automation for automatic air conditioning system, automatic lighting system, automatic door, lift control. PLC can play active roles around us. We have plc-based traffic control system. It can also be used in roof tile machine and also stamping machine. We also have remote monitoring system where PLC can be used. Think of any manually operated system that you want to automate. PLC can be used for it. In our next video, we are going to be looking at PLC programming languages.